All right, guys, start recording now. We're about to roll out. Had to bring some kulolo on the trail. Probably have this when we're kind of up there. All right. Got the light on here. Got my Garmin ready to rock. All right, let's see. Let's fully lock this out. Fully lock here. Turn on the Garmin. Garmin face me, and then let's record. All right. Quick spin around the car. The GX. Yee. Let's roll. I just feel like the sun is going down pretty quick. Alrighty, let me make the suspension in the middle. There we go. Damn, sun's really going down quick. Oh. There we go. Woo. All right. All right, guys. As you can see, trail debris. Let's take a little quick water break. I normally go this way and then go around, but I've also gone this way. This way is more of a climb. This way has a gradual climb, but as you can see, the sun's dropping to the west, so we're gonna hit this side. Let's go. Beautiful sky. We're gonna drop. Drop. Okay, let's stop by the legs. Stop by the legs. All right. Such a beautiful scenery. At least we could say some Hawaiian dessert, aka kulolo, made it to Trail de Brise, baby. So blessed, guys. So blessed. about a 1.5 mile ride so far. Time we go back, we're gonna have a total of 3, so it's good for me, baby. A lot of the flights that come into Vegas from like the west side, usually like California, Hawaii, flights come in over this mountain right here. I don't know if you can see that plane up there, and goes out to the airport. All right, I'm gonna head back down this way, nice and quick. Got the full face, so can turn it up a little bit. Oh, mountain bikers. Hello. All right, I'm gonna give them some leeway, then I'm gonna ride. I actually feel like going up more, but it's all right. Do it another day. I just want to get a ride in. All right, I'm gonna let these people go because I'm gonna clutch it from here. MTB, GX ONI MTB. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. If you guys like more of this content as well, because this is part of what I do as well of being in the outdoors, is mountain biking. All right, here we go. Let's go. Ha! Yeah. Woo! Whoa, yes sir. Let's see if we jump this. Oh, back end came up a little bit. A little hop there. Drop the seat. Oh, it's kind of scary. All right. All right. That's fun. Quick and fun. All right, guys. Just to give you guys a little backstory on GX ONI MTB. I've actually rode Trail de Bris. Maybe this is like my seventh or eighth time, and man, this trail never fails is what I got to say. This trail never fails. It's always a good trail to ride. It's a go-to trail. Beautiful views. I like the steady climb. You get a nice workout. You get a nice flow coming down. As you can see, coming down much quicker. One of the reasons why I chose this trail today, riding it pretty late, is because I know this trail pretty well. This is actually the first trail I rode as I got started into mountain biking, and I'm still here riding it a year later. So I love this trail. I took one of my best friends from Arizona, aka Big Bird. He seemed to like this trail. His first Vegas trail, I took him here too as well, so it was nice to share the trail with him, and I also share the trails with many other buddies that ride mountain bikes. It's a good trail overall. So woo! Nice. beautiful way to close out a Sunday. Do a nice little mountain bike ride, 3 miles. Alright. Alright, so there's the GX, guys. And we made it. Oh, back to the whip. You guys, Transx, GX. What are the odds? Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe to GX Only. Stay tuned for more mountain bike and off-road camping adventure videos. Alright, see you soon.